Hello! It is 5:30. 5:29. Lanzones and mangosteen. Kain tayo. Ang sarap ng lanzones ng Davao. It took... anong oras dumating ng airport? 10? So, we've been traveling since 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5:30. Oh my God, 7 hours? We've been traveling for 7 hours? Wala pala ako pagod. Masarap na lanzones.
Pwede kainin kahit buto, no?
I'd rather not. Kung matibay pa, sigmura mag-go. Mag-meeting muna kami. Tingnan niyo yung guarda. Hi, Phyllis. Ang cart na yan. It's fairly small, but it's okay. We don't need a big room. We're just here overnight. O, game. Trabaho tayo.
Okay. Ano to? So, wait lang, update. Okay.
So, ang agenda natin today is to finalize yung activities mo?
Is.
Okay.
Okay, share. Ano pa pala makapag-reply? Puti nga lang. Naka-compose na yung email ko dun eh.
Ang sarap ng mangosteen. Sabi, alam mo ba, Claudette, bago ako umalis kanina, sabi ni Kelvin, is this your last parang out-of-town travel? Ang dami mo ng travel, alis ka ng alis. Sabi ko, in fairness, sabi ko, this is my last confirmed trip. Tas biglang nag-email, December 15, 16? Something
May
like.
isa ka pa, Miss Leng.
Kaya
ano
nga.
Pa?
Kain tayo. This is tuna kinilaw. And, ano to? Lechon kawali? Say hi! Shy! Super shy. Kain tayo. Tuna sisig brew. Wow! Tuna sisig.
And how do we upgrade? Eh di maglaro muna tayo. Okay, pampagising po ngayong hapon. Pero kailangan ko ng tulong nyo. I would like for you to push your tables to the center of the room. Why? Because I need you to form a big circle while holding hands. All of you will form a
Pasalubong done. We are now checking in for a flight. It's a bit early, but it's fine. I always say early is better. Bag drop, bag drop.